like how it comes in a bag that zips up on itself, so you never need to have, you know, an extra bag or case. It just kind of all comes together. And then once you have your bag open, you're just gonna roll it out. So it's really, really simple right there as well. It does require 4D batteries, so make sure you have those on hand. And then once this is spread out, you're ready to start the inflation process. So this is where the batteries go. Pop those in there and we'll begin. One thing to note, so when you put the batteries in, a lot of times you'll follow the positive and negative. Like positive means positive goes up. On this one, it's opposite. It goes down. So I thought I had a dud air mattress. I just didn't have the batteries in properly. So make sure you do that. Okay, then turn it to the on position and let's let it do its thing. Once it's at the desired place you want it at, you're just gonna hit the off and then you're gonna turn that cap back on. All right, yeah, super comfortable. This is like a really nice soft top with it. Obviously you'd put some sheets on probably, but it's great. And then deflating it, very, very simple as well. Do you guys wanna see me deflate it? Okay, cool, I'll deflate it for you. This whole thing comes off and that's how you deflate it. So we're gonna get the air out of this. Easy, easy, easy. Deflate, deflate, deflate. And then you can kind of follow the lines that are still in there when you're gonna fold it back up. Okay, so now I've taken out the batteries, since usually I don't wanna store with batteries. I've kept this off so that air can come out of it, and we're just gonna roll it out. Now I'm just zipping it back into its own little carry case here. Boom! Success! Now, if you can't tell, I'm not the most campy girl, and I figured this out. So that means it's pretty foolproof. I think anyone can use it. It has a nice carry strap as well. It's not too heavy. It's a great inflatable mattress that I think you're gonna really like.